Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to remove background in CapCut video. Now, removing a video background in CapCut is quick and easy using the AI-powered auto removal tool. So when you open CapCut, you're gonna see right on your screen remove background feature here or the AI tools above. So we're gonna tap remove background, select the video or photo that you want this to be done with. So let's say a video. Let's say this video. Hit next. Fortunately, so because of the copyright, you won't be able to see the final result, right? Because sometimes CapCut will like automatically just blur out the final outcome, so no one can see exactly what the outcome is. But in your case, you can do it like on your own. I just showed you the steps, and CapCut automatically will remove your background. So basically that's it. Whether you're on a mobile phone, a laptop, or a desktop, you don't even need a green screen to cleanly isolate your subject. Consider liking this video, subscribe. It really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.